Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The High Command of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, has responded to a letter by PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell on the alleged misconduct of members of the force during the election campaign season. In the letter sent to Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson on Saturday, Dr. Campbell urged the High Command to ensure the JCF operations remain impartial when dealing with individuals who engage in lawful activities during the final campaign period and on election day. In his response on Sunday, General Anderson says he takes any allegations of politically motivated actions within the JCF very seriously. I hope so, because uno just start the talk, but uno can walk the walk. Remember, say we know say you're labor right, We know say you're labor right. And you know what, my viewers and subscribers, I am so glad that, Dayton Campbell write a letter to him. The reason why, I notice it, because I said it, I notice it. I say, how them I deal with the PNP people, them like this? Yeah, a real thing. The police force, then did a deal with the PNP people, them very strong. And I never like it. Me see it. Come and watch a couple of videos and I never like the way the police them are go on. Then just arrogant, just like Andrew Onless. Me never like it at all. You understand? It's like them a take side. Because them are PNP and who are labor right. And then the labor right, them a take side with Andrew Onless. You understand what I try to show you? It is unacceptable. So I feel really good how Dayton Campbell reached out to Anthony Anderson, which we know said nothing now go done. Pay chat Anthony, and it was a man Andrew Onless a cousin, and he want Andrew Onless to win. But uno fi leave, uno try make sure so uno leave the PNP people them alone. Because uno see how people them humble. Remember say uno trouble the people them, Me attack the JLP supporters, them a go out of their way and a trouble the PNP. And when PNP retaliate now, you see the force them a come down heavily upon the PNP people them. You understand? And me like Anthony Anderson him claim say him take it serious. So him say, you understand me? Which it is not right. You forget the dogs, them chain up and tied up and put them under manners before they come on road. Because you can't say you're a professional. You can't say you're man, them, your worker, them JCF, them a professional. And when they go out, them antagonize the PNP people, them. They only did do it only to the PNP people, them, not to the labor right. You know, hear me? Then text it upon the PNP. And I said, me say it to my viewers and subscribers. Right, it all. Wow, Dayton Campbell, big up yourself.
Morning. Great day today. Looking forward to great things. Jamaica needs a change. Change is coming. X beside the head. So you're really going to go through that with everybody on the whole ID?
Finger,
Thank
sir.
you.
Finger, boss. What is this?
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Let's see.
What is this? What are you doing?
I voted for change.
Finger up,
Thank
sir.
you.
Finger up, boss.
It's a good day. Looking forward to a good result. Yeah, man. You know, we worked hard. We've had a very effective and positive campaign. Our manifesto has a new vision for local government, which we look forward to executing. And I look forward to, after this day, what will come next. And I think the majority of Jamaicans are with me on that.
How high is your confidence, sir?
High, man. Very, very high. I read Psalms 91 this morning and I'm ready to go.
What does Psalm say, sir?
You know what it says. Trust in the Lord. Yeah. Yeah, man.
There have been a little tension and some skirmish in some other places. I mean, believe we'll be keeping it clean throughout the day?
Well, so far, up until today, it has been a clean campaign. In the sense that there's been no violence that I'm aware of. There have been some unfortunate incidents that we all know about on motorcades. But violence, no. I'm hoping that today will be a continuation of that because we want our democracy to maintain a high standard. We know all the tactics that the other side have been using. We've seen videos. You know, I'm not going to get into those details, but our comrades are standing firm and the people of Jamaica are standing firm with us.
Mr. Golden Jamila from TVJ.
Yeah.
You know, a lot has been said about this election.
Yeah.
And it's also one to some extent about the opposition. So first leadership is what would a win or even loss mean for you?
A win is going to mean an affirmation that the work we have done has paid off. We've put in a lot of effort. We've united the party. We've rebuilt the party. And all over Jamaica, we're getting a fantastic response, a powerful response. So today will be a vindication of that. And I'm looking forward to it.
Have you thought about the possibilities?
My viewers and subscribers, so wanna see when next Prime Minister go and put the X beside the head. Una need to go out and do the right thing for yourself. Una need to walk and wanna walk with una head high. Walk with dignity. You understand me? Una don't follow some people and I sell them vote for some little chicken and some rice. You understand? No. Do not follow them. Una do the right thing. Because after the chicken done, after the rice done, una know what will happen? Peer things are going to start happening again. Una fi remember say Mark Golden was the one that have on back. Remember say Mark Golden was the one that have on back. When time the student named the day Ukraine, it was Mark Golden. When the car seat, it was Mark Golden. It was Mark Golden right through. Right through. It was Mark Golden. You understand? A lot of time Mark Golden come out, the opposition leader, not only Mark Golden alone, you have Dayton Campbell, always come out, you have Angela Brown Burke, she also always have on the back. Lisa Anna, the same way. Damian Crawford, the same way. You know, so me always play them over here. So, you know, so them always have on the back. So, you need to get up and stand up for your rights. Do what is right for Jamaica. We want a change and we want the change now. The time has come, my viewers and subscribers. This is going to be the last election, you know. This is going to be, when I say this is going to be the last election, it is because if Andrew Holness will win, we done, you know. Remember, say Andrew Holness go sign some more agreement, you know, to legalize transgender rainbow everybody, you know. We have to look out on the brain, you know, my viewers and subscribers, you know. We have to look out on the brain because since as we not look out on the eye, we have to look out on the brain. We ask God for wisdom. God give you no wisdom and then on the third eye we open. At that me mean. You understand me? So no just do the right thing and put the X beside the head.
3,000 and I believe, I'm confident that I will get it. But it's really 3,000 I'm targeting. I want to thank them for their support. It has been tremendous. I'm really tremendous, especially in the Trenchtown division. I have a good team in terms of my support team, you know, that works with me. The campaign team is awesome. And I want to give thanks to them. The residents, there's a lot of work in the Trenchtown division to be done. And I want to reach out to them to say work is to be done really after today. And I intend for them to work with me as close as possible to get the job done.
If elected, what's the first thing you'll do as councillor for the people?
There are so many things to be done. We have some sewage problems in some sections of the division, mainly in the schemes. We have garbage collection, which is ongoing, but with the help of our Member of Parliament, we are tackling it little by little. And there are just some youth issues that we need to deal with too. The youth need some opportunities, and I think to embark on those.
Our party must be first in study. You must study. If you're a socialist, you must study. You must study. That's why we start all the great programs, literacy, so that we can bring knowledge. True knowledge is power. You must read. Now I have a book called Manly and the New Jamaica. Who should find a way to read it. My own little book I write for you is you I write it for. Politics of change is you I write it for. To give you wisdom and understanding. Read it. Make group bite and somebody read it. I don't know, discuss it. Because you must be first in study. Knowledge is power. My last word is for the role of leadership. First of all, the leadership of socialism must walk in humility. Humility. Must be humble. Must be humble. Must always be humble. There is no place for arrogance in the party that I lead. And anybody that is arrogant over the people must get out of leadership. The only one that is fit to lead is the one that walks hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, equal with the people, loving with the people. That's why I don't want no big flashy motor car. I don't want nobody in my party go with flashy clothes. I dress simple. And I drive in a simple little car. And Bev driving a simple little car. Because we must walk with the people. The day we think we're bigger than the people, we have no business to lead. Socialism walks in humility with the people. If you're a socialist, you must have love and concern. And if you're a leader, you must stay close to the people. I said to the leaders of socialism, stay close to the people. When the people are worried and unhappy, don't run away from them. Stay close like a shepherd. Give them love. Give them care. That is socialism. The leader in socialism must know so that he can explain. He must understand so that he can lead. He must inspire by example. And above all, he must have integrity. 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 Only honesty can lead the people in socialism. Therefore, my comrades, let us build together. And I call upon you now, in the name of the Father, in the name of God, in the name of Allah, in the name of Jehovah.
Some places that has been slow, but we know that in the mornings it's normally slow in some of the places. And things I believe are going well for us. I'm still a little concerned about the police votes, especially those that didn't get a chance to vote on Thursday, who should be voting today, and the arrangements that are being made to make sure that they don't lose their franchise. We know that one vote can make a difference. So everyone with which we have a challenge is an issue.
So we're in the Mona division. What's your assessment of the PNP's chances in this division?
In the Mona division?
Yes.
Listen, man, just wait till the end of the year. Just wait till close of play. I'm coming to cast my ballot in the Mona division. It's the first time I'm voting in the Mona division, having just moved my vote from East Kingston to Mona. So I have a lot of faith in Eastern St. Andrew and in the Mona division. In some